Good morning, guys. My today's presentation is about OpenTelemetry. This slide introduces OpenTelemetry. OpenTelemetry is a modern solution that helps us to understand what is exactly happen in our application, especially when they are large and complex. As system grows using microservices and cloud, traditional monitoring is not enough. Where we use OpenTelemetry, which gives full visibility into system behaviors at scale. Like, let's see about the overview of OpenTelemetry. OpenTelemetry is a open source observability framework. It provides single standard to collect metrics, logs, and traces. It is built especially for cloud and microservices based application. Let's see about what is OpenTelemetry. OpenTelemetry is a collection of APIs, SDKs, and tools. Developer add OpenTelemetry libraries into their application. This process is called instrumentation. Once instrumented, application automatically and able to generate telemetry data. This data can be sent to any backend like Prometheus, Grafana. From there, we can able to visualize them using that monitoring tools. Let's see why we use OpenTelemetry. Modern applications use many microservices, not a single application. When some system fails, it is hard to know where is the actual issue is from. Where OpenTelemetry helps us by giving end-to-end visibility, showing how each services interact each other. It helps us to avoid vendor lock-in, and it uses one standard observability instead of many tools. This makes monitoring simple and scalable. Let's see what are the problems are solved using this. Like OpenTelemetry solves key real-world problems such as distributed tracing across services. It connects logs, metrics, and traces all together, and also it helps team to debug issues faster and reduces mean time to detect and resolve problems. Instead of guessing, teams can actually see exactly where the things breaks. Let's start with a real-time example. Think a e-commerce platform which has 10 plus microservices such as front-end services, product, card services, payment services, order services. Now imagine a customer clicks pay now, but the checkout page becomes slower. Without telemetry, the user only sees checkout is slow. Developers don't know which services is causing the delay. Team manually checks logs of each services. Debugging takes hours, and SLA and customer services gets affected. But with open telemetry, it creates a trace for that single checkout request. This trace follows the request step by step across all services from front end to back end. Like the trace highlights that payment services is taking too long, which results engineers can instantly know where is the problem occurred and where it is from. No guessing, no manual log searching. Issues fixed before customers explain and complain. This improves system reliability and trust between customers and users. Like we can see about the architecture of OpenTelemetry. Application generates telemetry data. This data is collected by the OpenTelemetry collector. This collector process and exports the data to the backend. From there, we can able to visualize those data using monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana. Let's see about the key benefits of OpenTelemetry, like unified observability. All telemetry data can be able to seen in a one standard format. Improved reliability. Teams can monitor system health continuously and faster incident response. We can easily able to identify where is the problems from, and we can able to debug them quite faster. Let's see about the call to action. Like we need to adopt this open telemetry as a observability standard in our application. It will build observability into platform from day one. Like with open telemetry, we can easily able to identify the issue where it is from. Instead of guessing, we can able to identify the issues much faster, and it will be very useful for us to debug it. And also, it provides end-to-end visibilities. It is much useful for us to use OpenTelemetry in our application. Like OpenTelemetry is not just monitoring; it's a deep visibility, faster debugging, and it improves engineering decisions better.